Excuse me. Thank you guys so much. Tiny made it a nice even 70. I'm sorry. Wad of hair that gets left in the hairbrush. I have to burp. Excuse me, sorry. That is such a joke. Using something. Okay. That was so bad. Walk back with me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I made him up for an excuse. Fuel up your water beds. By the way. Wait. That's your motivational talk for the day from me. But it's still cute. Are you guys ready? Sorry, that was gross. We'll do it again. You're doing high. I'm trying to hold it in. That burp. Oh my gosh, my neck is getting sweaty though. I can't believe I went left over after this. Excuse me. A plate, I can like separate them. Excuse me. Sorry. For your lube thoughts. Thank you. My legs.
Oh, you wouldn't want to have kids? What? That was yelling.
It was.
Oh. Okay, I'll cut this tomato then, I guess.
Sorry about that, though. Ew! Sorry, that was gross. Oh my god. I seriously think someone's like in my upstairs washroom and they can probably hear me. It's not embarrassing. Oh my gosh. Oh, bye.